May mga gusto lang po akong i-clarify doon sa mga interviews at mga sagot ng nanay ko po sa mga interviews niya po.
Because we didn't know what to do
Yeah.
after nung kumain. Because they were like, oh, what do we do? It's like, oh, let's go somewhere ng park. So that we can take the little kids to go biking. Just attach a screenshot of me saying sorry at that time if they felt left out when we were all having a battle. So you guys can just pause and read.
Actually, nagkita po yung mama ko and yung family ni Chloe sa high school. And then, yun, nag-usap po sila.
And the last resort, my family made a group chat
Yeah.
ng yung issues ni mama towards
Yeah, kasi mga hindi na pag-visual sa akin. Tumatatak po yun sa akin talaga. Ang message ko po sa inyo na mag-heal kayo, mag-move on. At napatawad ko na kayo a long time ago po. Pinag-pray ko na maging safe kayo palagi. At